And welcome to the first part of the Easy Step interview for QuickBooks, your guide to how to put your company information into QuickBooks starting from the beginning. A lot of this will be self-explanatory, so we'll breeze past those screens. First of all, your company name is what you operate by. If you use just your actual name, you can put that in there. You can choose to create a DBA name, which you have to register with the state. And your tax ID number, which is your federal employment identification number, which you can get for free from the IRS website. So don't pay anybody to get that for you. Remember, your email address and website is an extra thing, but it is good to have it on there because that means that QuickBooks will have that information. Here you want to select your industry from a list. If you cannot find your industry in this list, then you're either going to be a general service or product-based business, so we're going to choose general service-based business. Here is where you have to make the hard decision. Sole proprietorship is the easiest form of business, and C Corp is the most difficult form of business to have. We're going to answer some of those questions on another video later, but for right now we're just going to choose sole proprietorship. Fiscal year starts in January. Customizing QuickBooks for your business. When we get to this screen, I generally recommend people choose both services and products just in case later on they decide that if they do services only, they can have the option of being able to sell products as well. This is just a way for them to keep track of those people who may want to sell their products online one day, and they can send you information about that and how to create a online store with your products through QuickBooks. Yes, we charge sales tax. Yes, we want to create estimates. Yes, we want to track customers' orders. And yes, we want to use sales receipts. We want to use billing statements, progress invoicing, managing bills that we owe. We don't currently print checks, but we would like to one day. Do you want to track inventory in QuickBooks? With a service industry, it is not necessary. Eventually, if you do ever have products, you may want to start tracking the inventory, so you can change that in the preferences later. Do you accept credit cards? Maybe. Do you want to track time in QuickBooks? This is good for paying hourly employees, billing customers, things of that nature. Yes, we have employees, W-2 and 1099 contractors. This is a new feature in QuickBooks this year to be able to track multiple currencies, the dollar, the yen, the Mexican peso, and things of that nature. Using accounts in QuickBooks, it's going to set up your chart of accounts, and this is where the choice of kind of organization is going to make a big difference, and we'll talk about that in another video. Beginning of this fiscal year is when we want to start tracking the finances. We'll add a bank account later. There's a little bit more involved to that. This is your chart of accounts right here, your income and expense accounts. We're going to look at that too in detail. Usually you want to look through here and see if there's anything in here that you may be using. For instance, if you accept credit cards, you're going to have merchant account fees. If you hire other people, you're going to want to have that there too for subcontracted services. Business licenses and permits, you might make charitable contributions. So just look through here and choose the ones that you're pretty sure you're going to be using. And this one, of course, is my favorite, the Ask My Accountant. Please don't put 100% of what you put into QuickBooks under that category. That gets a little tedious. Then you click on Finish, and we've got 1 minute remaining in our video, so it's going to pop up this screen for Acme Incorporated, and going to show us the home page eventually as soon as that little thing stops bleeping. Okay, and here we go. Here is our new company. You have a choice of viewing the tutorial, and you can do that. You can use the Intuit.com services to get online with other users of Intuit and QuickBooks, or you can just click go to start working, and that is what we're going to do, and we will show you that in the next video. Good luck, and if you have any questions, just contact me at homesoonaccounting@earthlink.net. Thanks.